Yo, what's up? Happy Sunday. I hope you all having a blessed Sunday. But anyways, you guys, be nice to one another. Okay, your girl about to make some Rotel, I think they call it. But you guys, is this ghetto or not? Yeah, your girl don't have all the stuff, but we're gonna make it work over here. All right, let me show you guys what I'm about to use. Comment down below, fight down below, debate, do all that good stuff. Okay, is this ghetto? It's not to me. First, I'm not gonna use all the ground beef because I am making something else with it. But all right, go ahead, stay tuned and watch and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, you guys, this is it. Comment down below, let me know what y'all think about this. Like, it looks so good, y'all. It looks so good. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna put it in the microwave for a second so I can melt the cheese just a little bit. Okay, y'all, comment down below, let me know like what y'all think. It tastes so good too, you guys. Oh my gosh, it tastes so good. All right, you guys, here's the finished product. You guys, it looks so good. Oh, look at this. It looks so good, y'all. Look. Then you can top it off with some parsley if you like. You know, just add a little green. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Y'all cannot tell me. Look at this. Let me pull out one for y'all so your girl can go eat. Yeah. Ooh, can y'all see this? Can you see this, baby? Alright, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. E-babes, I love you all so much and stay blessed.